Honestly, trading is not as easy it looks on social media. And I was among one of those people. I thought trading means quick money, but I was totally wrong. And when I realized it, it really hit me up so hard. And today, as I already said, I don't have any niche, but when I was working, I'm logged in. I'm a private employee. I used to work from home. So let me introduce myself. I am Nasima and I used to do research on gold and BTC. So most probably I used to trade only on gold and BTC most of the time, 99% of the time. And right now I was doing some of tasks of my office, and I thought of recording my something for today. So I came across to one video where I have seen one, what to say, one person was like, I don't know whether it's a real account or demo account, because I, according to me, earning on CRs like crores within a second, it's not a joke. And I don't think it's too realistic, because like he or she is not one of the richest person of this world. And how, like, I still can't believe like that was real. So I was working, and see, as you can see my laptop, I'm working, and I also thought of recording and try to be a little bit more productive today. So I want to like share some little like real journey of my life, and I'm not a guru. I'm just trying and sharing my real journey with you guys. Like, I want to take you through the process of like corporate employee plus trader, and also a small business owner. Okay. I own a consultancy also. I'm a tax consultant. I am a private employee, and I used to trade. So when I started trading journey, once again. Okay, so when I started trading journey, I thought it's very easy. Okay, like now that Nasima and this Nasima, there is a day and night difference. The thoughts, the results, the discipline, the risk management, the structure, the charts, there are many things which I am taking the name 5 years ago. I don't even know what's charts known as, what's candle known as. So right now, I think I am not a pro trader, but still I'm learning, and in the process I just decided to record myself. So people making money, I saw people making money online, and I thought I could be one of them, among them, who can earn money so quickly. So when you see something on a video, or when you read something, you find it really easy to do that. But when you jump up into that practically, you will know the real journey, you will know the real struggle, you will come to each and every challenges that you have never even imagined. And I am up to trading since last 2019, and today is 2026, but I don't know. লই জানা. Please guys, ignore my background. I know this patch is disturbing me a lot. I don't know what to do. Let's not focus. So हटा देना पैकेट तो. So you know guys, when I started trading for the first time, I still remember first I was on first I was on an Indian market, and I was using Zerodha at that time. And my first investment was when I was a student. At that time I was studying. I just passed my 12th standard, and I went to Kolkata for my higher education. I was doing my CA along with my BCom degree. BCom, I was doing also doing BCom accountancy honors. And I still remember at that time I started this journey. And packet to hatai de na lo, please. Why looks sorry, बाहर दे रखी मतलब जल्दी कर. So sorry for the disturbance. So what happened at that time, I installed Zerodha. One of my senior, he was my neighbor. I was staying on I was staying in flat at the time. He was my neighbor. He just suggested me about he is the person, he is my guru right now. So he just gave me some little guidance about like SIP, like systematic investment plan, and like future and option trading. So at that time I was with my zero knowledge. I jump up into the market, and my first investment was I started an SIP of 500 rupees, because at that time I was a student, where from 500 is a very big deal for me. So right, I started investing on 500 on monthly basis for SIP. And I thought I also have done some research about the stocks, and I have held some of the mutual fund and stocks. But my greatest mistake was entering into options and trading options, futures and options. And still now after 5 years I am committing that I am agreeing that I don't understand anything about options and trading, because I that's not my cup of tea. Because I have lots more like lakhs of rupees up to that. I think Indian market is not for me, because what's real, that's real. Because some people do it so easily. They have the skill. I feel they are blessed with that skill. But for me, Indian market is not for me. I never earned even a single penny with from an Indian stock market. So after years, after 2 years, I think after 2 years, after losing lakhs of rupees after losing lakhs of rupees on options and trading, like futures and options, I switched into Forex trading. That's like doing at that time cryptocurrency was in trend. So at that time I was holding some of the cryptos, and I have once I started trading. At that time even 35 rupees, 40 rupees was a very big deal for me. I was earning that way. So I researched about cryptocurrency, and then I entered into intertrade for gold and BTC. So what happened when I entered into trading intertrade, I I was like, I don't know how even the application functions. I don't know I don't know it technically, fundamentally. So I there also it's same. I kept on losing money. And I was using OctaFX, and there, and right now OctaFX minimum deposit is 2000 rupees I know. And at that time when I started, it was only 1500 rupees. And how full I was just depositing 1500, and within 15 minutes I used to lose that money. And because I don't have any idea, I was not aware of the lot size, about the leverage, about the brokerage, and nothing. With zero knowledge, I just entered into the market, and I kept on losing and losing it. I even there I lost more than 1.5 year. I don't even remember. I don't have any journal on that, how how much money I lose. Like what I think it will be more than lakhs and lakhs. Okay, so I was losing my salary. I was losing each and everything. So I started doing some classes. I started doing research. I studied about like lot size, candles, and like 15 minutes, 30 minutes candle, 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hours. So I started like learning about it. I started reading books. I started reading like gold. I started researching about like BTC, about news. When um I what to say, I am not finding the correct word. When I learn about trading, then I realized these I 3 years I was just gambling. 3 years, after 3 years of gambling, I understand trading is a very big platform. Trading, it's a very like what to say, printing machine, you can say. But you should have that skill to understand, to learn, to know what's trading. What is 15 minutes candle, what is lot size, what is example, you have this much capital, what will be the risk percentage. So this is very important. And you know how, like I used to love, I used to sit and love at myself. Sometimes I was thinking the market will go up, like that was like just I was assuming things. And I realized of like after years and years that market don't care about your feeling. Market don't give a shit what you are thinking. Like I used to, before I used to trade in that way. Tomorrow it was, it the movement was this, so today it will repeat the same. But that's not the point. There is no tomorrow, not today. There is only structure, there is only predict market research. There is like, there are multiple things to understand about the market, the structure, the candles, the news, the like what, like I even realized it too lately, the difference between bearish market and bullish market. So they don't give a shit. They can blood, they can bleed, market can bleed for continuous 1 year. You can't do anything. And market can go up for continuous 2 year, you can't do anything. And here I was sitting like a fool expecting that within 15 minutes, yeah, like the market will go up or down. You are just hopping on that, like the market will work in your favor. Like you are crying, you are praying, you are blowing the candle, okay, go up, go up, it will go up. Nothing like that. So it took me years to understand. It took me years to learn, after losing lakhs of rupees, after spending years and years, after like what to say, after countless sleepless night, I understood what is market. And honestly, I love trading. I want to be that like successful trader. I don't know when I will be able to, but I'm happy. Where am I today? Today I don't blew up my account. Today I don't, I understand what's my risk percentage, how much money I can lose today, what's my capacity, what's my ability. This is my salary, I can't touch that. And honestly, I'm thankful that within two, after since 2 years, since 2 years, I I changed that gambler Nasima into trader Nasima. I am not, daily I am not here to make a profit. I'm not making profit on daily basis. I'm sometimes I used to lose because I can afford that. And I always calculate my risk these days. Like what we, like I can lose only 100 rupees today, not more than that. So that's my calculation. And I stop over trading. Earlier, I used to remove stop loss so easily. I don't even use stop loss. That was my life's greatest mistake, because I was expecting the market will work in my favor. And whenever I used to like place my stop loss, it will definitely hit up. So I was expecting that market loves me so much, it will work in my favor. No, market don't give a shit like your boyfriend or girlfriend. So it took me years to be here, sitting here recording and like explaining my journey. So there are many things. I think the video is getting long, so I will end it up today. Part 2 will be coming soon because I need to join up the meeting. So bye bye guys, thank you. If you can like, अगर आप लोग यहाँ तक आ ही गए हो ये वीडियो देखने, तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब and do let me know in the comment section like what changes you need, what do you know want to like know anything about my journey, because this is very real. There is not even a single word that I have spoken or that's scripted or that's I have copied pasted or I am taking up someone's journey. That's me and myself and my trading journey, real trading journey. So guys, please, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.